Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo yung bagong kanta ng SB19, Mapa. So let's start. First part ng kanta is yung intro niya is a cappella, so walang chord na ginamit. So proceed tayo sa verse. So yung verse is yung chord na ginamit. Yung una is the A or A9. Next chord is Bm7. If you don't mahirapan kayo sa bar chord, you can use this modified Bm7. Index finger in the 5th string 2nd fret, middle finger in the 3rd string 2nd fret, ring finger in the 2nd string 3rd fret. B-7. Next chord is F sharp minor 7. So kung nahihirapan kayo mag F sharp minor 7, meron akong modified na ganito. Index finger in the 3rd string 2nd fret, little finger in the 4th string 4th fret, ring finger in the 5th string 4th fret. F sharp minor 7 na modified. Next chord is the E major. So alam nyo na yan, it's a basic chord. Meron namang chord chart na nilalagay ko. Then last chord is D or D9. So yung chord na yun, dalawang ulit. Itatry natin. So medyo hindi ako familiar sa flow ng songs, so magba-backing track tayo. Mama, kamusta na di na tayo laging nagkikita, miss na kita sobra, lagi di ko siya itutuloy ng diretso kasi baka makopyright tayo. So, yun. A9, Bm7, E, D. So, proceed tayo sa next. Next part is the refrain. So, yung ginamit na chord is D. Next chord is E major. Mga basic chord lang yan. So, madali lang yung kakapain. So, next chord is F sharp minor 7. So, yung kanina, yung modified pwede din. And then, next is A. Passing chord to E. Mamaya ituturo ko sa inyo but meron siyang passing chord. And the next chord is Bm7. And then last chord is E. So tatry natin yung refrain. Yun yung refrain. And then next part ng kanta is the chorus. So yung ginamit na chord is A, Next is E major. Alam nyo na yon. Next chord is the F sharp minor 7 and D. So, apat lang yung chord ng chorus, apat na balik. So, try natin. Yun yung chorus. So, next part, after ng first chorus, verse ulit, second verse. But, yung second verse natin, iba na yung chord, hindi nakagaya nung first verse. So, yung ginamit ng second verse is A. Next chord is F sharp minor 7. Next is B minor 7. Next is E and D. Para siyang passing chord. And then next chord is F sharp minor 7, E major. Next is D. So next is balik ulit sa B minor 7. Wala pala. B minor 7. Next is F sharp minor 7. Next, A or A9. Last chord ginamit ng second verse is balik sa E major. So, yan yung chord ng second verse. So, try natin. Yun, ang second verse. After nun, balik sa refrain, but yung refrain na ginamit is, ito yung chord niya is D. Next chord is E. Same lang siya sa first refrain, but meron lang konting changes ng chord. F sharp minor 7, papuntang A, passing chord to E. So, ito na. And kanina, B minor 7, pero ngayon ang ginamit, balik siya sa D. D, E. So, yan yung second refrain. So, ito try natin pakinggan. Yung changes lang niya, instead of B minor 7, D na yung gagamitin. Chorus, pag mag-alala, ibigitan yung mata na. So, same lang, yung chorus ng first at saka yung second chorus. Punta na tayo sa bridge part. Bridge part, ang ginamit niya is B minor 7, Next chord is F sharp minor 7. Next chord is the A. Next chord is E. So, yung chord na yan, yung part na yan is tatlong balik. B minor, 7, F sharp, A, E. But yung third line ng bridge is yung A at saka E, meron siyang bagsakan part. So after nun, tatlong balik, D. Last chord natin is bagsakan tong part na to. It's E major. So D and E. So try natin ito. So, after ng bridge is merong isang first line ng chorus. Yung and then after nan, magchi-change key. Chorus, balik sa chorus na change key na tayo. So, instead of A, magiging B flat siya. So, magta-transpose half note. So, yung key natin yan is B flat. Pwede din dito sa first fret or dito sa 6th fret. Next chord is F. Next is G minor 7. If you don't know that, pwede din dito. Meron akong mas madala ito. Middle finger in the 6th string, 3rd fret. Ring finger mo nasa 4th string, 3rd fret. And little finger mo nasa 3rd string, 3rd fret. G minor 7. Then last chord is D. No, 2. It's E flat major. So, tatry natin. After nun, mayroong CODA. So, B flat. So, yun mga tol. So, may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko, and para updated kayo sa mga tutorials ko, please don't forget to click like and subscribe sa aking channel, and follow my Facebook page. So, sa mga may requested song, baka matsambahan ko, you can comment down below. So, yun lang mga tol. God bless.